Okay everyone, so I am going to be showing you how the Activa kit comes and is put together. So the first thing in the kit would be the dispenser. This is the plunger, your restorative material, and then it comes with a series of tips. So to assemble this plunger is very simple. You can see the two holes here, and this basically just goes in, and then in pushing the button in the back, you can move it all the way back, similar to an impression gun. This cartridge holds the mimimix tip, so if you're familiar with the tampon or a variety of other materials have these cartridges that have the two different chambers that are going to mix in the tip. There's a little bevel right here, and that bevel is what's going to go bevel up. It'll snap into place, and then this is not a new cartridge, so we're now going to push this in to engage it. The tip twists off, and then the mimimix tip with the cannula goes on. If you can see here in the tip, these really fine little spirals, that's where the material is going to mix. The fluting inside really takes up the majority of the tip, so there's not a lot of waste when it comes to this product. So to dispense it, you're just going to squeeze the handle, and then you can bend this tip in any angle that you'd like. It also spins, so if you're doing, for example, mandibular restorations and then you want to switch and do maxillary, you can actually use the same tip and just spin it around. To dispense, like I said, you just pull on the plunger. You can see that it's mixing in the tip, and then it's coming out like that. So this is a really ergonomic way to deliver your composite. There's a lot less fatigue than if you're using a traditional system like this where you've got to push the plunger. Sometimes as it gets down to the lower end, certainly my hand can get sore. So this can really decrease operator fatigue. We use these guns for a variety of different products in our office, not just with the Activa. We use them with any of the Pulpdent products, but also basically any product that will hold this chamber. So this is a pretty handy tool.